Hi there, Emily from Pickystory here. I want to show you Pickystory's Build Your Own Bundle feature and how you can set it up using the app. Okay, so if we navigate to Build Your Own Bundle here, this is try.pickystory.com, which is our demo store. So you can see all of Pickystory's deals in action and how they would look on your store. It's a great way to kind of find the right deal for your use case. So this is our Build Your Own Bundle or Bundle Builder deal. Basically, you show a selection of products and it lets your customer go through and choose the ones that they want. So there are two options. You can just have it on the page like this, or we also have a kind of more sophisticated one that has sections. So basically the customer chooses their product from this section, then they move to the next section and choose their product, and then the next section. And as you can see, the products here are shown down the bottom so they can see where they're at. They can remove something or replace it as well. And then when they're done, they can go to their cart. So that's the options for our Build Your Own Bundle deal. It works really well when it's displayed on a dedicated page, but you can also add this to a product page or basically any other page in your store if you would like. So now let's take a look at how to set that up in Pickystory. So in the Pickystory app, we can navigate to Get Started, click on Create Bundle, and then we're going to choose Build Your Own Bundle. And then we can give it a name. This is just for your reference. And then we can start adding the products. So if you just want to use the first option I showed, where all the products are just on the page, you just add them here. If you want to use the section layout, you can add different sections and then add the products. So this is our first section. So we're going to add our first products here. We have some helmets. And then we're going to add a new section, which now lets us rename the first one. So we can call it Pick Your Helmet. And then for the second section, Pick Your Skates. And then we can add our products here. And then we'll add a new section, accessorize. We have some sunglasses we can add. And some socks. Perfect. Cool. So once all of your products are added, you can save those changes. Everything looks good. And then we can move to the discount section. So you don't have to offer a discount. You can just use this as a way to make customers sort of choose more products. You can toggle this off if you want to. But if you do want to offer a discount, you can choose from a percentage-based discount, like buy 3, save 10%. Now you could offer a fixed amount discount, so buy 3, save $20, or you could sell for a target price, so buy 3 for $100. And here you can set minimum and maximum quantity requirements. The customer won't be eligible for the discount if they don't hit the minimum number of required products. So when we're done there, we can set a location for this. So like I said, you can display it pretty much any way you like, but let's go with a dedicated page in Shopify that I've already set up in Shopify. So I'm going to add a location here, create location. I'm going to call it my roller skate bundle page. I'm going to go to selected pages, and then all of the pages you've added will appear here. So this is the page I want, so I'll save this, and then I will add this location. So once we have a location set, we can click on Customize in Designer. So this basically takes you to a preview of the page, so you can see how everything looks before you push it live in your store. So to position the bundle builder on the page, you just need to drag and drop this. So we'll move it over. And then when you see a purple line that appears in the area where you want to show it, just let go and it'll appear there. So you can see we have our Build Your Bundle with the 3 sections. We have a lot of customization options. You can find these under Existing once you've added it to the page. You can check out the options here, and then there's also some more under advanced. And then for full customization, click on this little customization icon. You can change all of the colors, font sizes, button shapes, everything you like under here. There's plenty of options to choose from, so you can really make it look and feel like your store. When you're happy with how everything looks, we can save changes, and then we can hit publish to push it live. And then we can take a look at it in the store. Cool, so we see how it looks here. We can choose our helmet, and then we can choose our skates, and then we can choose our accessories. Perfect, and then when the customer is done, they can go and view their cart and check out. So it's a great way for customers to purchase more products than they normally would, and a great way for you to sell more and generate more revenue. Have fun!